today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day of India, and I'm glad to see all the people celebrating, and I'm glad to see that all the children have participated in this event. I'm happy, more than happy to see that the Tiny Tots, they have also performed so well in this event. And the only motive of celebrating this Independence Day or celebrating any event in SRHS is to let them know why we are celebrating. And today we were so successful that they all know the meaning of true independence. One more thing I wanted to share with the parents, with everybody over here, like from the past 5 to 6 years since I'm in Patna, I have seen that people, after celebrating, after the flag hoisting is done, after the sweets are distributed, after all the fancy things of the celebration are done, they just throw the flags on the street, they just throw those tricolor bands on the street, balloons are just, they just litter over here and there. The packets of the sweets, they are also thrown here and there. And here are two things which hurt me. One is that how are you doing such disrespect to the flag, and the other thing is like how are you polluting the society. Like these two things we really need to take care on this Independence Day. Like please and please don't just throw these flags or tricolor bands everywhere. Just don't throw those balloons or the packets of the sweets on the streets. Try to use the dustbins, and please respect the flag. Because you already know, and you should know, everybody should know, that it has been a lot of hard work, it has been a lot of sacrifices to achieve this freedom. And the reason why I'm telling it right now is because these things are interlinked. Like if we will not teach our children how to respect each and every individual, how to be polite, how to be helpful, and this is what is reflected in these celebrations. Like they celebrate and then they just litter around, they celebrate and they just disrespect the flag. So these things are interlinked. That's why I'm telling you all this time. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you, like I'm more than happy to tell you all that the schools are reopening, and we are super excited to see you all at school. All my children, we all miss you a lot, and we miss the noise you make in our school, and we welcome you all to our school back. And once again, happy Independence Day. Stay happy, stay healthy. Have a good day.
Good morning, everybody. On behalf of the entire S. Raza High School, I, Sayyid Furqan Faizi, take the honor to wish you a very happy Independence Day. On this prosperous occasion, unfortunately, we aren't together to celebrate the day which marks the 75th National Independence. The day which resembles the lifelong struggle and sacrifices of our bravest freedom fighters. From last year, we are fighting a war against this deadly pandemic, the same as we did with Britishers. So far, due to this coronavirus, we have lost countless doctors, ground workers, and our own family members. 74 years ago, the national independence also took many lives. On this patriotic occasion, let us not only remember the freedom fighters, but also the doctors, the ground workers, and all the people who have lost their life due to this pandemic. So without further ado, let's have a glimpse of some extraordinary videos prepared by our brilliant students.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Many freedom fighters work together to achieve independence. It is because of the patriotism shown by leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Abdul Kalam Azad, and many noble personalities that we live in a free and a democratic country.
Our motherland is India, and it was given birth to many great leaders in the past, including Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Maulana Azad, etc. They played an important role during the freedom struggle, and many have sacrificed their life for our motherland.
A true patriot is considered to be the backbone of the nation. Patriotism is required for the growth of a nation. Patriots will always think about the development of the country and are ready to defend it against the enemy.
चल 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 अब उठ भी जा, नस नस में तू जोश जगा। कुछ भी नहीं आसान यहाँ, अपनी राहें खुद ही बना। मेहनत कर, पसीना बहा, रुकना और थकना है मना। जीतना चाहे कर तू यहाँ,
Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day, my dear children.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to all of you.
Happy Independence Day, children.
Wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, everyone.
I wish you a very happy 75th Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.